Welcome, everybody, to today's show. Hope everyone is having a wonderful Wednesday. As we can see, as we log in today, we've got a green crypto market, lots of green bubbles, which we love to see. Um, we are going to take a look at what the crypto market's been doing today. So let's dive in here. Let's take a look at our trade from yesterday. Yesterday, we were able to get a trade in. I know I did not go live, but I was able to get a trade in. I was doing some one-on-one crypto training, so that was exciting. Um, and we can see that we ended up the month at 272. So if we take a look at our strategy would have gotten us to 265 if we averaged 5% per day, basically one trade per day over a 20-day window. We went ahead and we were successful. We ended the month at 272. So overall, it was a success. I've got some things lined up. I'm going to be adjusting the strategy a little bit moving into March. I am going to look to start doing live trading as well, showing everybody live trading, but we'll discuss a little bit more of that. We'll be talking about some of the tools a little bit more, but overall, we had a very successful February. We set ourselves the goal using our strategy, and we were able to successfully complete that goal. So, well done if you were following along. So, let's get our market cap updates going. We are now on the 1st of March. So, let's go get all of this set up for us. We always like to track our um, markets. So let's see where we are at. We are at 1.13, so a little bit of an uptick overall in the market. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 456. All right, so we've had money come into Bitcoin here, so that's a good thing. And then let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum's at 200 at the moment. So another quick kind of update. I'm going to try to be diligent, more diligent in March, having a set time. So I'm going to try to be going live between 5 and 6 p.m. Trying to really be online and live when the day starts for crypto. So the day starts for crypto, the new day in all of the charts starts at 6 p.m. Central. So I really am going to try to be getting in and going live around 5:30, 5:45, so that we can try and have a buy in before 6 p.m. shows up. So if you're interested in trying to follow along live, that will be my target. Will be between 5:30 and 6 p.m. is when I plan on going live to try and be live and available for when the crypto day starts. So let's jump over to the charts, and I've got pulled up our buy from yesterday. We bought STX, as we can see here in our tracker. We went ahead, we bought it. Let's see, at about 7:48 p.m. last night at 97.19, and then we sold it at about 10:47 last night at 102. So, very nice return. Now we can see 749. So that would have been 1940. So we bought it in this window, right? And we can see that it kind of went sideways on us, and then it had this big peak up, and we were able to sell it in this window. So really exciting. Crossed our blue line. We were able to get that sell in and meet our 5% goal. We can kind of see what it's doing at the moment. We can see that it's pumping up. on its day. It's creating its daily open. So let's close this. Let's look at our screeners and see if we have any buys out there. Now, what am I doing? What am I going to start the month at? So I'm going to actually not put anything in on our uh, tracker until I start trading live. My goal is to end up within the next couple of days to have $250 that I can start doing live trading with in my trading account, and then we'll reset everything, and I'll show you what my plan is moving forward. As far as the strategy, yes, you can follow the 1 per day strategy if you want, but I'm going to expand the strategy just a little bit, just to kind of show you that you can kind of set your own goals. Yes, you can do 1 per day like we did last month, or you can set a little bit bigger goal. But we want to see what's in the market right now, what's the opportunities are. So let's shrink this down to the 15-minute windows. Let's see here. Let's refresh. That's on the 5s. Let's get it down to the 15. There we go. All right, so let's start opening up some of these here and seeing if we get anything that really jumps off the page at us. All right, so there we go. There we go. There we go. All right, we're just getting these open, seeing if any of these are going to give us that opportunity that we're looking for. Let's see. There we go. All right. Got a couple more down here. Okay. All right. So let's start taking a look. Let's look at Ethereum at the moment. There's Ethereum. Ethereum has a buy signal, a couple buy signals. So let's look at Bitcoin. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's trying to come up and have, there we go. So let's take a look at these coins that we just opened up. So they're in the middle of opening. So let's see if we have any that have stacked buy signals. There we go. This one's in the process of opening up. And this is why I like to try to get in beforehand, so that when we get these pumps, when it opens, we'll be ready for the pumps. There we go. This one's pumping nice, going above all these FVG sell signals. So let's see what it closes out at on the 5-minute. Let's look at the 5-minute here. Look at that on the 5-minute. Poof. Pumped right on up there. Move that one back to the 15 minutes. Let's see here. We got all these on our 15 minutes. There we go. Pumping up. All right. So I think I'm going to switch all these over to our 5-minute view. Oh, wow. What's this one? All right. I'm going to switch all of these over to the 5-minute view just to see if anything pops off. I'll take a look at the 5-minute view for us. So let's see here. Switching all these over to the 5-minute views. Okay. One more after this. There we go. Bing. All right. So we had our open. We're above our sell signals. All right. So that one's looking good. We had our open, then we immediately are in a sell. So not necessarily. Same thing here. We had our open. We have a retreat here. We have our open, retreating. We have our open, and it looks like it might be getting ready. We'll see. We'll look at this one a little closer here in a minute. All right. It looks like we're heading in an upward trend here off the open, maybe. So we'll keep an eye on that one. All right, similar thing here. This one's really jumping. Same with this one. This one we're going to keep an eye on. Don't know what's going on here, why we don't have a daily open on this one yet. But it's going up. All right, so we've got a few that we're going to monitor here. We are going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and close out the rest of these. Okay. Yeah, that was one I'm monitoring. This one, I think we'll keep that one going. That one went up, tested, it's come back down. We'll close this one. This one, yeah, we're closing that one. And we're going to close this one. All right. So, let's take a look here. See if we see anything that interests us. Z. This one's kind of doing a slow build up, which is good to see. This one here, let's take a look at this one. So 0.003923 times 105%. So it would have to get to 0.0041. So that would be right about here. So it'd have to break R1 to get all the way up. So had we gotten it back down here, might be a little different story. So we'll monitor it, but we're not necessarily gonna look at it at the moment. This has got to consolidate a little bit for us. Let's take a look at this one. This one's gonna come down here, touch the white line, 0.029. This is why I really like to try to get in before the opening so that we can catch these opening pumps. Let's see. This is 224. So let's look at this, where we're at. Clear point. Not point. Let's do 2.242. And we times it by 105%. 235, which puts us right on the R1 here. So let's look at this one. Let's try to let's see if it'll come back down here. We want to get it around 2.242. All right. So let's do some math. 2.246 times 105%, 235 and change. All right, so we're going to try and get this at 224.6 or somewhere right below that. So we're going to go ahead and put it on our trade calendar. Again, but we're really not going to we're going to do real-time trading starting later this week, hopefully. You guys will be able to see the real-time trading 3.1.23. We're doing this at 6:13 p.m. We are looking at COCOS USDT. Let's get this done right here. And then what price are we looking to buy it at? Well, we're already, I think, we were looking at 2.4. Let's see if it comes down. I think we were trying to get it at 24. Yeah. Coming down to 25. 25.5. Let's see where it closes out at. 2.248. I say we got it at 2.248. We're just going to continue this until we start a new trading month, just to kind of give us an idea. Equals divided by, all right, equals, there we go. So 236.04. And this one equals, there we go. So we're going to say we were able to make that buy at 224.8. There we go. And then our 5% is 236 even, just about. So we're gonna go there with the blue line right above R1. And then what is our purple line gonna be? Let's get our purple line here. Our purple line is 247.28. So 247 right there. Okay. And that is our purple line. So we've got our buy, we've got our sell at 5 and our sell at 10. And then later on this week, we will start doing live trading where you'll actually get to see me do these trades live on an exchange. I'll be using KuCoin for those of you that may want to follow along. Get your KuCoin account. But we will be doing these live. Again, I will try to be going live around 5:30, 5:45 so we can get in, find a crypto to buy before the change of the day. The change of the day happens here in the charts at 6 p.m. Central, 1800 on the charts. And we will be looking so we can take advantage of any potential pumps. We can see here on the one we've picked for today, there were a lot of buy signals before this big pump at the opening of the day. And that will be what we kind of look for. Again, our strategy is 5%. 5% earns on trades. That's what we're looking for. We're looking to compound those trades. So I hope everyone had a wonderful Wednesday. For those of you that may be 420 friendly, I have a website down scrolling at the bottom, 420px.com, delivers to your door if you're in the United States. Now, you don't have to go with the hassle of going into any kind of a dispensary and going into a store, traveling. We've learned over the last few years, there can be reasons not to leave the house. Sometimes maybe it's weather related, maybe it's other things related. So having the ability to have product delivered directly to your door is pretty neat, pretty evolutionary. So hopefully if you're interested in some of those products, take a look at the site and see what we have available. So I want to again thank everybody for watching. Have a great Wednesday and a great rest of your week.